Good evening, folks. We have a challenge for Michael for the Chris Dunn dual patch auto. Challenge live. List has Blake on top to Steve at the bottom. Copying that list into the randomizer at 7:27 PM local time. Blake on. Scroll up. Come on. Blake on top. Steve on the bottom. Dice roll at 2 dice and no snake eyes. 11 times. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 times mark on top, one more time, 727. Congrats. 2. Spot 4, it's Blake picking it up. Had to go 11 times, and did go 11 times. Verification code at the bottom. Spot 4, Blake picking it up. Congrats. Challenge complete.